Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. A few months ago, I bought this really fun calendar. It's a foodie calendar. And here in May, on today's date, is National Eat What You Want Day. So today, I'm gonna let my family pick and choose what they wanna eat for the entire day. I don't know how this is gonna go, so let's get started. What did you choose to eat this morning, buddy?
I got the cereal.
You got some cereal?
Yeah. Avocado toast.
Make your own toast.
The waiting's the hard part.
Henry, what happened?
I spilled.
You spilled?
Milk.
Did you spill chocolate milk?
Yeah.
You want an avocado too? Here, cut it with me.
Okay.
Let's just put it together. Ready?
Yeah.
You want an avocado? Oh, here you go. Is that yummy?
And I can need salt.
And you're putting salt on it?
Yeah.
Ooh, just put a little bit, okay?
Okay.
Okay. All right, Joshua, what would you like for breakfast this morning?
Pancakes.
Pancakes?
Can I have some cereal?
You want cereal? Yes. All right, let's see your toast. You made avocado toast?
Yep.
All by yourself? How's that cereal going?
Good. I want cereal and cotton candy.
And cotton candy?
And cereal.
And cereal?
So we can eat cotton candy?
Yep. You want cotton candy? Mm-hmm. Do you still want pancakes?
That was weird. I know that boiler guy. Try something like that. Yeah.
What are you eating?
Pancakes.
You're eating pancakes?
Yeah.
Are you still hungry?
Chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk? Tell us how you make chocolate milk.
You just pour milk in a cup and then you get some Hershey's syrup and stir it around.
Me. So for breakfast, I went over to Wendys because I want to try out their new breakfast. So let's see how it is. Fries and the sandwich. I got a chicken sandwich with bacon. Ooh, smells good. It's got, looks like a croissant sandwich with bacon and maple. Flavor's good. It's just a little dry. I think I might have to add some mayonnaise to this. Is that weird to eat mayonnaise with maple syrup? I texted my husband to see what he wanted for lunch, and he wants some Thai food. So I'm here at our favorite Thai restaurant. I'm gonna run in and pick up his food, and then we'll head down and take it to his work.
Hey, sweetheart. How are you doing? We have my on camera.
For sure.
Thank you.
Eat what you want, eh?
Get some Thai food.
The kids asked if they could have some cotton candy from the dollar store. So we're here. We're gonna go inside and get some candy and some cotton candy. Let's go. Is that what you want, buddy?
Do you love Hershey's?
What did you get?
I want this.
You want some Tic Tac? Harry, what are you getting? What is it?
It changes your mouth.
Is it bubble gum?
Look.
Are you happy with your gum?
Yep. Look.
Are you happy? You like your mints, Henry?
Yeah.
So the kids just asked for McDonald's for lunch, so we're in the drive-thru right now to get some chicken nuggets and a hamburger. How's that cotton candy?
Good. Whoa.
Do you know what you want to have for dinner?
No.
What?
French toast.
Mary, do you know what you want to have for dinner?
Yep.
What?
Cucumber salad.
Cucumber salad? Hey, you cute boy, what would you like to have for dinner?
This.
Is that a gumball? Mm-hmm. Show me how you eat it in your mouth. Holy cow, can you fit all that gum in your mouth? You want to come with me to the store?
Yeah.
Okay, go get your shoes on. Okay, can you pick out your cucumber? Which one do you want? Put it in your bag. Is that what you want? Do you love cucumbers?
This isn't what I want for dinner.
You want some cereal?
Please.
Okay, put it in the cart.
But it's not what I want for dinner.
Okay. What is that?
Push-ups.
You want those?
Yeah.
Okay, put them in. Popsicles? Is that what you want to get?
Yep.
Hey, put them in. What did you find?
I found macaroni unicorn shapes.
Unicorn?
Yeah.
Is that what you want for dinner?
Yeah.
Yummy. Do you want the same thing for dinner?
Yeah.
Unicorn macaroni?
I love unicorns.
I love you.
And cucumbers.
We keep walking down every aisle and they're like, oh, but I want this. Oh, but I want that. So it's gonna be a minute until they finally make their decision of what they're actually going to eat for dinner. Okay, Bug, did you find something else?
Yeah.
What did you find?
Princess's,
SpaghettiOs?
yeah.
Excited for your French toast?
Let's try that out. So I'm gonna show you how to make French toast the dad way. We didn't use any measurement things, whatever they're called. I just put some milk and eggs and some cinnamon and some sugar and a pinch of salt. And we're gonna slather this up with some butter, make it nice and hot, and then we're gonna just toast up the French. Yep, we're gonna toast up the French. Five.
I want it all to my tray.
How many eggs? One or two? Yoki.
Yoki, I want yoki. Yoki!
So gourmet. We made sure the pasta was al dente.
You excited for it?
Yeah.
Are those yummy?
Big bowl of syrup.
You like cucumbers?
They taste good.
Is that yummy, Henry? How do you like your French toast?
Don't interrupt, do you mean?
Does it taste like unicorns?
Yes.
So good. Are you gonna get a popsicle?
Yeah.
What kind did you get?
This one.
Watermelon?
Yeah. Come on. I said you can't. Happen in the box.
What flavor did you pick?
Turbo grape. It's actually pink instead of purple.
Is that watermelon?
Yeah.
You got some on your chin.
Watermelon.
Watermelon, is that so good?
It tastes like gum, but it's actually watermelon.
Or what was your favorite part of National Eat What You Want Day?
Hamburger. The
Yeah.
hamburger.
Awesome.
To me. I can do this. Eating.
Eating?
Yeah. Probably the candy and the
Candy?
avocado toast. I'm eating cucumbers.
Cucumbers, you love cucumbers. All right, so here are my thoughts of Eat What You Want Day. The kids and I had fun going around to different stores and picking out what they wanted. So very fun and very adventurous. Okay, and number 2, I didn't hear any whining, any complaining. Everyone ate everything that I gave them because it was what they wanted. Okay, but here's one of the downsides. It took me all day, feeding 4 kids, 4 different meals, 3 times. That was a lot of work, all day. Didn't like that. Here's the other thing. It was kind of expensive. I had to do 4 different meals, 3 times a day, going to the store, going through drive-thrus, picking out food that I wouldn't normally buy per meal. It got expensive and I don't think I could do that forever in the future. Too expensive. And the last thing too is it just wasn't healthy. My kids were picking out processed food, they were picking out things with a ton of sugar, they were just picking out all the fun things that they don't normally get to eat, which today I was completely fine with because I allowed it. But I don't think we could eat this kind of diet every single day with all those carbs and sugar and processed food. And truthfully, I missed cooking and being in the kitchen. So I am really excited to get back in the kitchen tomorrow with our regular meal plan. And if you want to see what I'm making for dinner tomorrow, you can check out this video right over here, and we'll see you guys next time.